How to change Play Store password. So if you want to change Play Store password, then first of all open up your Play Store application and then go for your profile, which is on the upper right, and simply go for manage your Google account. Simply scroll right side and go for security and scroll down, and here you will have password option, right? Go for password. So to change your password, you have to simply enter your previous password, and after entering that you can simply go for next, which is on the right side, and now it will have this kind of interface. So from here you can change your password. You have to enter a new password and then you have to confirm your new password on the next step. And after entering your password, you can simply tap on change password and your password will be changed. So that's it. That's how you change your password on your Play Store. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.